Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on satellite view on Google Maps. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, then sign in using your Google account. Now on the screen, you can see options like search bar, explore, go, saved, contribute, updates, etc. along with the locations maps on your screen. Now on the screen, on the top right corner, you're gonna see your user icon. Right below that, there's gas, coffee, hotels, restaurants, such options. Now just below the gas option or coffee option, there's the two box-like option. Just tap on it. Then you're gonna see the map type popping up from the bottom of the screen. There you can see under map type there are three options: default, satellite, and terrain. For the satellite view, just select satellite option and tap on cross sign. Now there you go. There's the satellite view option on a screen. And guys, that's it. That's how you turn on satellite view on Google Maps. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, just give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.